Alright, I decided to make a separate video for this one. Do we have a 75 Pontiac Trans Am? I don't know. This is rough. Only 2 of those honeycomb wheels. Of course, I've got a 77 formula. Those I may not know, but I wanted to turn it into a 76 formula. I've got the 76 formula hood, the 1-year only hood. So I kind of need that front end. But like the last 1 or 2 that I've found, the front end's all messed up or gone. So yeah. Doors just won't open, man. The other one won't open either. You can't really they took the dash out like they were making this thing into a race car or something. Only got 1 seat, 1 original seat anyways. I don't know what the other 2 are for. I don't know if you can see some ladder bars you see there. Oh, you can see. No, it's all bent. But these are 15 by 7s, I think these are, or are they 14s? I can't remember. But I know they're not 8-inch wide, so it's like But I know people be looking for these wheels. Well, if you're wondering what's under the hood, nada. She was a factory AC car, I see. Let's see if you can get a closer look at that VIN. Come on now. Let me see if I can clean up that Alright, let's see how much we can get of that there. I tried to clean it up the best I can, but it's wet and I couldn't find anything that was dry enough. So, there it is. Not sure if it's a real deal or what, but I mean, so cool to see one in the yard. Well, I don't know what else to say about her. You know, I don't think there's much of anything that I would need off of it. Alright, people. Actually, I don't even think this one's for. I think this one's probably not for parts, or you know, maybe they're keeping it. So who knows? Alright, people. On to the next one.